Hey, what's up guys? It's Matt, the Exennial Traveler, and today I'm here in Una National Park, which is Bosnia and Herzegovina's newest national park. This park is all about water and specifically waterfalls, and tomorrow I'm going to be whitewater rafting down some of them. But for today, I get to stay on dry land, I think, and go and explore some of the waterfalls here in Martin Broad. So let's go and find them. Ah, hello.
3 marks. This way, 4 big waterfalls, walking 100 meters.
Well, paid my 3 marks, got my ticket, and somehow I suspect to be better than the 8 marks I paid for the Yates waterfall yesterday. And I think I basically just paid 8 marks to get wet. So yeah, I guess these are the waterfalls of Martin Broad in Una National Park. I'll be honest and say they're not quite as large as I thought they would be, but nonetheless very pretty. A little bit of a shame that they're currently in shade, so I guess maybe it's better to come in the afternoon when the sunlight hits them directly. Another interesting thing here is some traditional watermills. Never really seen one of them before and I missed it in Yates, so we're gonna check them out now. That was kind of interesting, a little bit of a homemade attraction I guess, but there lies its charm. There's not really much else to do around here. If you're visiting, probably 30 minutes is plenty for this place, so I'm gonna see what else I can find in Una National Park, perhaps another waterfall of some sort. I've just scored myself some crepe pancakes with chocolate. The lady who may or may not be still behind me sold them for 2 marks and I'm hungry, so why not, eh? Looks like this is a waterfall right in the middle of the village.
You've arrived.
So, one final stop of the day. I've driven an hour to come here. This place is Ostrožac Fortress. I'm hoping to be able to see sunset here, but haven't found any information about this online, so yeah, let's see. So with this kind of cool statue things around here, although I'm not really sure what I'm seeing, and I seem to be the only person around here, so that's kind of cool, eh? So I actually didn't manage to see sunset yesterday because the guy was locking up, but that's probably a good thing because I would have got locked into that fortress. Today I'm gonna go whitewater rafting on Štrbački book. Did I say that correct?
Yes.
Štrbački book, and with Una Aquarius. You know we know. I thought we were just pretending to raft, right? So we started with a nice slow paddle down the river and we're back at Štrbački Buk, but thankfully we are not going down Štrbački Buk. Easy.
I try, but you just walk on by. How many times must I try? You see, I'm all about you. I'm knocking at your door, baby, heart in hand. Waiting in rain when I stop, baby, heart in hand. Heart in hand. But baby, heart in hand. But baby, heart in hand. But baby, heart in hand. I wanna be right where you are. I promise you.
Now you have break. If you want, you can jump.
Woo!
So, let's go.
It's so high.
It is, but not so high.
It's quite high.
Pretty high you will be down. Pretty soon you will be down. So
I see. Oh, fuck it.
this is your GoPro. It is yours.
So I was happily cliff jumping and I lost my poor GoPro when I landed in the water. Thankfully, Peja very heroically dove in and saved it, so I've got it back and I've edited out 7 minutes. Beer! Yeah! Wow. So I think the water is quite not so fast, but Peja says the best season for rafting is April and May when the water's higher, but it's very pretty anyway, so I think we're enjoying it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We have soup.
It is traditional Bosnian soup. Rahana.
Rahana. Of course, we have other traditional Bosnian rakia.
One brandy.
Živjeli or na zdravlje?
Na zdravlje.
Na zdravlje.
Chinese. Kambei.
That soup was a perfect way to end half day of rafting. We're here at the Una Aquarius camp. Really great company, highly recommended. And definitely, if you're coming to Bosnia, really do come and check out Una National Park. This place is absolutely amazing, really peaceful, the water's absolutely pristine. Next off, I'm off to Mostar, so keep me company. In the meantime, do give the video a like, and if you're not already subscribed, do subscribe to my channel for more adventures in unusual places. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought and anything else I should know about Bosnia, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video.